welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber B if you're new to my channel. And you guys, you already know what's about to go down, okay? As you can tell by the title of this video, I am going to be organizing my kitchen. So there's gonna be probably multiple parts to this video. Definitely gonna be doing kind of like a fridge organization video that's gonna be separate from this video, as well as the pantry video is gonna be completely separate because that pantry is gonna go through an entire like makeover overhaul. So I'm super excited to share that with you guys later down the line. But right now we're gonna be focusing on the kitchen drawers. So getting some, you know, organization products for my utensils and all types of stuff. So I'm gonna go through all the plans in a minute, but you guys, here's the kicker, all right? The kicker is all the organizational products in this video today is from Amazon, okay? So everything that we're gonna use to organize my kitchen is gonna be from Amazon. And if you've been following me, you know that I love like Container Store. Like Container Store is my jam. It's what, you know, I use all the time. I swear by it. But now that I have moved, I live a little bit further from a Container Store. It's not that far, it's only like 30 minutes, but to travel 30 minutes with all the craziness that's been going on in my life right now is just not convenient and not feasible. So I had to rethink, like, how can I make this convenient and feasible, and just kind of make a video for you guys to show you, like, you can use other products other than Container Store products to organize your home or whatever you're doing. So I wanted to challenge myself and to show you guys that you can, you know, pretty much use anything to really just get organization started. So everything, like I said, is from Amazon. It will be linked down below in the description box with all of the details, links. So if you see anything you like in this video, description box down below. All right, so let's just jump into the video. Okay guys, so the first thing I do when I'm obviously organizing, there's Bubs. Bubs is in everything, every shot, every video. Anyway, so the first thing I do when I'm organizing is just to kind of really assess the space. So I need to get my stickies, but I have some stickies that I'm gonna go around and just write down the sizing of everything and kind of like my vision for each drawer. So let me show you guys really quick. So, for instance, this drawer, I know I want to be kind of like my spice drawer right now. It's obviously a bit crazy, but I really love the idea of having a spice drawer, but I do want to get some more kind of aesthetically pleasing containers to have the spices in. And then obviously, I definitely need an organizer to kind of keep all the spices in place. You guys, I'm so embarrassed that my kitchen looks like this right now. It's been a month, you guys. I'm so embarrassed that I'm saying this, but it's been a month that I've been in this house and I have not organized my kitchen drawers yet. Like I said, it's been crazy. It's not intentional. I've honestly been putting it off, but today I'm just like, I need to do it because it's driving me nuts and I'm really embarrassed how I'm living right now. Like I have no liners. I rinsed everything out. Like don't freak out. But oh, you guys, I know. Don't flame me in the comments, but this is how I am living, okay? Like, I can't believe this is me right now. Okay, this was kind of semi-organized. Honestly, I'm not gonna put anything in this. It'll just make this look a little bit more presentable. So I have the tape measure and then some sticky notes. So a little tip, like when you're, you know, just measuring things, to really just plan everything out, especially if you're gonna order online like I'm doing. I really wanna just plan everything out and make sure that all the measurements are right and that, you know, everything is gonna fit accordingly to plan, especially like the width, the length, and the depth, especially the depth, because sometimes products can be not deep enough or just too deep and then it doesn't actually fit in the drawer, or it's not low enough, or it's not wide enough, or it's too wide. So you get the deal. So that's how wide. Okay guys, so it is a couple days later and I got the product from Amazon. Actually, you guys, it was not that long of a wait. It was only about maybe really like 3 days or so that I got all the products at one time. There was one product that said it would ship in August, so I was a little worried, but it actually shipped earlier, so pretty happy about that. But for the most part, I got everything within the couple days of, you know, ordering it, which, you know, that's Amazon for you. Came in clutch for that. But I'm super excited to show you guys all the products that I got in person. So I'm gonna show you as I actually dive into the organization itself. But I will say most of the products, like I said in the previous clips, most of the products are high quality products, okay? Except one, I'm not really sure the quality. So we'll see and I'll let you know. But M Design is a pretty great high quality product, a brand that I trust. Some other products, like I said, all the products that I mentioned are very like high quality brands, not very like cheap, flimsy products. So definitely keep that into account. Anyway, I am gonna start first with the tea and coffee drawer. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so this drawer is definitely a mess. I'm gonna start with just taking everything out because none of this stuff is gonna go into the tea and coffee drawer. And then what I'm gonna do is just kind of wipe down everything and put the containers that go in here. All right, so for the coffee and tea drawer, I am using this container for the tea. So I have 2 of these, and I don't know which one I'm gonna do it yet, but I'll figure that out. And then for the coffee, I'm gonna do probably 2 of these. I only got, don't play me because I'm not a coffee drinker, okay? I'm only getting this for like family and friends. But I only, for now, I got like caramel flavored Starbucks coffee, okay? It is what it is. I'm not gonna drink it. I'm pretty sure some of my family and friends will drink this, okay? And then I got like hot cocoa for the kids because we do have, you know, a good amount of kids in our family that would probably drink this when they come over. So, and it's about to get cold soon. The fall is approaching. So my thought process is to fill it up now, and then obviously when I know people are coming over and I know what they drink or whatever, if they're gonna be over like during the morning time or like spending the night, then I'll get the appropriate coffee or drinks they like, okay? But don't flame me in the comments for getting these, okay? It is what it is. I'm a tea drinker, so the drawer is really a tea drawer. Look at this fit, you guys. This is like the perfect fit. And sometimes you have to play like this little puzzle game to get everything to fit how you want it to fit, actually. But this is like a perfect fit. Now I do have, I don't know if you guys can see this, let me show you. I do have this back here, which is fine. And then I have this kind of dead space, which is okay. I do have some extra containers that I may be able to fill it with. This, I mean, the coffee organization part was a little bit more tricky, and honestly, I can like change the orientation too. So let's see if that works better, actually. That actually provides the same kind of, you know, function. So I don't think that's gonna really change it too much. I do kind of like it. I don't know which way I like it better. I don't know, I guess I'll see when the product is in there. But again, that's why it's really important to measure. Sometimes products are not gonna perfectly fit in your space. It is what it is. But, you know, you just kind of have to play a little puzzle game till you get it right. So anyway, that's my little tidbit. Organizing the junk drawer now, and you guys, it's a true junk drawer, okay? I already took some stuff out, but you know, as you can see, I had tape, glasses, straws, birthday candles, playing cards, like a little bit of everything in here. And honestly, like, there's a method to my madness when it comes to organizing junk drawers. Like, it has to make sense. And typically junk drawers in my mind are like loose items, so that just kind of like don't have a real home. So hence they become the junk drawer. So anyway, I want it to make sense though. And if it's gonna be down here, like it needs to be something that like we easily like access and use on a daily, but we need it down here. But it's not like it doesn't fit anywhere else. It's kind of like the stuff that doesn't fit anywhere else in your house. So anyway, I am gonna place all of the containers. So this is actually was really clutch. I'm not sure about the quality of these. I mean, they seem okay for the most part. We'll see how they stand the test of times, but I really like this product because I think it was about $23 or so. And again, all of the products will be linked down below in the description box, but I think this was like $23 or so for like a variety of different container sizes. So I got like a certain number of these, a certain number of these, and other sizes as well. So even though I'm not gonna use all of them in the kitchen, I figured that some of them would be great for my bathroom. So that'll probably be like the next organization thing that I do is my bathroom. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you're subscribed, okay? Like this video, so let me know that you are liking these videos, okay? But anyway, yeah, so I am gonna place this really quick and then I'm gonna show you guys like some of my like tricks and tips for the junk drawer, because I don't know, there's a lot that I have, but you know, again, there's like a method to the madness. And of course, this is not like the final junk drawer. Like things will add over time, but that's the point, like just to have some little space to where it's like sectioned off to where it doesn't look too junky, I guess. So anyway, okay, let me show you guys really quick. All right, so I have all of these. So the thing that I'm seeing is that like I need like a place for like my candles and the lighter and things like that. And just kind of like miscellaneous items. So I am going to arrange this really quick. For this drawer, I got this clear little container, which it is, as you can see, expandable, which is awesome. So I'm just gonna shamelessly take everything that has been living in this drawer out and yeah, wipe it down really good and put everything in, you know, in its place. Y'all know how happy I am to be organizing my kitchen. Like, it's been almost a month and a half that I've been in this house and I just been putting it off. Like, really, originally I was gonna go to the container store. Like, originally that was the plan. I was gonna do like this whole video of like going to the container store, and I was like, you know what, that's not realistic for where I live right now, just the time and how busy I am. It's gonna take me months to get there or to just like carve that out of my day. So I am low-key like, I'm excited to show you guys like the finished product of like how my kitchen looks with all these Amazon products, because I low-key was sleeping on doing like my entire organization with Amazon. Like, not saying that I don't love Amazon, because Amazon has great products and some of the same products that I buy from the container store as well too. But like, I low-key slept hard, okay, on Amazon. So again, if you're not by a container store, or if you just don't feel like, you know, leaving the convenience of your home and shopping in person for containers, like take the time to measure, take the time to like really map out the products that you need and just order them online. Like, that's on period, okay? Like, this is so much really more easier, dare I say. But you know, I'm still a container store stan, okay? Don't get it twisted. But this is a good little challenge for me, okay? Like, this was an Amazon challenge, okay? Like, just call it that. Let me know down below too. Let me know if there are other challenges you guys want me to do. Like, are there any other challenges that you like, I don't know, challenge me to do? Let me know. Even, you know, it can be anything when it comes to organization, decor. I thought about low-key doing like a thrift store kind of like challenge of like trying to find thrift store like decor pieces for my home. So anyway, just let me know what you guys think, okay? And we can just kind of make this a whole like thing on my channel. So the spice drawer is next. I have a lot of videos on my channel kind of detailing how to do a spice drawer, and I'm also gonna make a TikTok. So follow me on TikTok so you can see kind of quick and fast and easy how to do a spice drawer. And I'll also link all the videos that I've done spice drawers in down below in the comments. I'm not going to do it step by step how I usually do or have done in the past in other videos. But just to show you guys really quick, I actually got a different product this time, and I'm gonna link that down below. But these labels, so this particular spice drawer comes with these labels, which I love the white labels. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's see. Okay, yeah, so I love these white labels. Look how pretty these are. And then it comes with the chalk labels that you can write in your own labels. And then I love how this product in particular comes with this scrubber so you can clean out the jars. And I'm gonna actually use this to dry the jars. So maybe like a paper towel and swirl it around, kind of use this to help dry the jar because I've already cleaned my jars. So I need some help to kind of get them dry really fast. And then of course it comes with a funnel, which is handy when you're pouring in all your spices. Okay guys, are you guys ready for the reveal of the kitchen organization? Are you ready? Here they are. Alright guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is only part one of the kitchen, okay? I definitely want to organize my fridge and my freezer soon. And then also the last part, which is gonna be the biggest part of this kitchen organization project, is my pantry. And you guys, I am like starting to kind of craft that project right now and draft all the things I want, and I'm so excited to like share that project with you guys eventually. It's gonna be a while because I have some big plans for the pantry, but I cannot wait to show you guys. As always, I love you guys. Make sure you like this video, hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe, okay? It helps to grow my channel. So I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.